Okay, nice. Who is that last person? Someone was asking question before we stop the first section.
Yes, I was the one. Sometimes when I see weekly break to the upside, and
Okay.
as when it's retracing, I see it as probably the weekly storyline has ended and is coming out to take out the old breakout. So that is where, in fact, that is where everything gets messy. So I keep on. Sometimes I just close the chart when I struggle with what's it called structure.
Wait,
And the only way I
come again with
the only
that your weekly
okay when
breakout.
when weekly breaks to the upside and when it gets to like coming down as a retracement, sometimes I may see a breakout to the upside and see weekly sweep and break to the downside again when it's coming down. So along the line, I would think the weekly storyline has ended and start selling. So along the line, I caught up with the Buddhist bias that is going on and take a sell.
Now,
And
let's say
I
you have
asked how often okay, as weekly break takes perfectly like this 4 hours. Let's just use this 4 hour as an example. As 4 hours break to the upside and it's coming down, I would think
okay.
4 hours storyline has ended and it's coming down to take this breakout to the upside.
Now, you see, this thing is simple. Do you get?
Okay.
If you have weekly breakout to the upside, and you know that automatically the next thing is retracements, right?
Okay.
If there will be retracement, I am not looking for any buy most time until maybe this the market will trace to this breakout on
Okay.
the weekly or to maybe a particular imbalance here. Do you get? But what you
Okay.
will see
Okay.
is that it is not that you will see weekly retracement. It is not weekly that we retrace. It is daily that we retrace as a
Okay.
structure. But on weekly, it might be a single candle.
Okay.
Now, how do you know if this daily our stop is retracement? There will be sweep and break. I know some people will be like, what if there's a breakout? Most time, I want to see sweep and break. If I see breakout, I start seeing it as a low probability setup. Because why do I say that?
Okay.
Market can be coming like this. Down, 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 and then you now see what a breakout like this. Is this not a breakout? It's a breakout. But market will just do like this. Pam, and then down back. Let me show you. German 40. There's a particular funny price action on German 40 some uh some weeks back. Let me see. It's a daily retracement. I think, is it this price action? Yeah, there's a daily breakout here. There's a daily breakout here. In which, if you study this price action in this place, there is a confirmation for those that were selling here. But what do you see? All of a sudden, markets take them out and continue the sell. So most time, I don't just want to see a breakout. I want to see a proper sweep and break. Let me look for example of what I'm trying to explain very well. I don't know if you guys you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Because sometimes a breakout can be an inducement too. Oh, I can't find a suitable example. I can't find. But have I answered your question?
From what I deduce now is if I see a breakout to the upside on the weekly, so
Yeah.
I will actually sincerely expect the retracement from the daily till it gets to a breakout level on the weekly.
Yeah.
From there, I will now be expecting the continuation
Yes.
by continuation.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
And it
And
might
with
also
I
be
think with
imbalance.
with
Look at this.
okay,
This is the daily breakout level. You can see that they did
okay,
not come down there. But if you look at it, there's an imbalance here. They just feel it a little bit at the top and they continue. But does
yes,
that mean they
I
cannot
have
come down?
question on this. I have question
Okay.
on this. Exactly, I get confused with this price action. With this large move, I expected the price to at least come back towards the breakout level before continuation. Me, I would rather like just close the chart, say, okay, since the price is not coming here, I will not trade. But at the end of the day, I'll see like price actually continue from that where it is and buy up straight without coming down again.
It's possible.
Okay.
One, this is not currency pair. This is indices. This is a country's economy. This is
Hmm.
the economy of Germany. Do you get?
Okay.
So they might not necessarily come down. But if they are not going to come down, they will present a proper price action also. And what do we have here?
Daily break already.
Sweep of previous day, rejection
On the key level
also
or break.
from open close key level. But I cannot just say, oh, we are buying. Why? Alignment must be available. What's H4 doing? H4 sweep and break. Did they come back here? No.
No.
But look at where they came back to. A shape that sponsored sell. Oh, they did not even touch that A shape. But look, can you say this open close? But
Or
you can see that
generally the imbalance.
they trace to the imbalance to give this push that we have to the upside. Now they can now sell. You can choose to also sell and come and fill the daily imbalance to continue their buy again.
Okay.
Any other person with question, please? So are we free?
Yeah,
Say
yeah,
less.
yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very
Say
much.
less.
This is so impactful.
Yes, sir.
I want to just, based on your question, let me just say one or two on it. Daily reject, daily H4 breakout or H4 sweep and break, as the case may be, right?
Yes.
A breakout or a sweep and break on H4, what will it give you on M30?
A breakout on a sweep and break.
What will it give you on lower time frame?
It will either give me a sweep and break or a breakout.
No, no be me teach you.
Uh, a breakout on H4 is a sweep and break on H1, and a sweep and break on H1 is a breakout on M30.
No, no.
I say trading range, right?
Thank you. That's what I want to hear. It will give you an advanced market structure or a trading range. What you are saying is, say less. What you just say now is H4 reject H4. What you want to see, that's confirmation entry. I'm not asking you about confirmation entry. I'm saying if you look at this breakout like this, if it is on H4, if you switch this same thing that I have here, if you switch to lower time frame, it will give you trading range.
I thought you said our trading range should end with a sweep and break also.
If it's going to end with sweep and break, you will see it now.
Okay, this is where it gets confused. I think trading range is different from defined range. Defined
It's the
range
same.
start with sweep and break and end with sweep and break. But trading range is just like a break,
Look,
sweep and break up before
listen,
market comes
listen.
up and pick it up.
Now you dey give your una self big English. Define range, trading range. If it is not complete, it is not complete. Because normally you will not trade an incomplete range now. You won't. So the concept of trading range, incomplete trading range, defined trading range is just English. Because the reality is what you are trading is a complete range. What you want to trade is a complete range. You want a trading complete range? No, now. Look, let me tell you one thing about mentorship. Mentor will teach you a lot of things. You are the one to pick what you need. If I tell you that I don't even know that there's something called divine range, range is range because what I trade is the complete one. Let me use JP225 for what I want to explain. Okay, no. Let me use this GBP card. Let me use this GBP card. Look at what do we have here? A breakout to the downside on H4. Yes or no?
Yes.
We have breakout to the downside here on H4. You see this breakout that you are seeing. If you go lower time frame, it should give you an advanced market structure. And when we now say advanced market structure, the logic of advanced market structure is maybe like sorry, I've made a mistake. I still made the same mistake. Sorry guys. Sweep, break, break. Now it can, if it's like it can break to the downside and continue breaking, but you know that this is your liquidity. This is your liquidity, inducement liquidity or your inducement. So the proper entry, the most safest entry is above this thing. Is above here. But most time, we are looking for one entry here, or we are looking for one entry here. You will now hit SA, market will now continue to go in our direction. That's the problem you are having. Oh yeah, let's go back. We have this H4 breakout. I've used this to divide this. Even without me using confirmation, look at oh. Let me go to my M30 first. You see that on M30, is there anything? No. No. Let me go to M15. On M15, this is a liquidity. This is a structure. Entry above it. You see, another example. H4 breakout, right? I'm looking for entry. Go to M15 or M30. Look for advanced market structure. Can you see? The last high serve as what? Liquidity, entry above it. Did they sell? Massively. Let's look at today's price action. No, there's no H4 breakout in today's price action. I'm not going to lie. Or even you can say there's breakout. There's breakout today. Yeah. There's breakout to the downside here. But do you see that they take out that breakout safe? But at the beginning of the day, I already saw that they have breakout here. So if I look at where is the breakout starting from? This today's breakout. It did not just start from here. It's starting from this high. From this high. This is where the breakout starts from. So from there to here, to where we have this breakout level. Let me cut this one also out. I'm looking for my advanced market structure. Okay, this is where the breakout happened. 30 minutes or 15 minutes. I prefer 15 minutes. See. What do you have here? Sweep. Break. Now, after that break, what's the first high that we have? We have this high as retracement. What did they do? They take it out and what? Sell off. Say less. Do you gain something? Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
To your entry, add range. To your entry, to your H4 breakout, add range.
Okay.
If you notice that if the range is not in 30 minutes, look for it for 15 minutes.
All right, sir.
I can go on and on. I can go on and on. I'll start showing you example.
Yes, sir.
NAS 100. This was a missed trade too. Look, I was looking at this. See, do you see where my entry is?
Yes.
But the reason why this entry was not tagged, I know. And the reason why I said I know is normally they filled this imbalance. They filled this imbalance here completely. Right? They filled this imbalance completely. So there's a tendency they might not come down there to do anything because there's no imbalance there. If imbalance was there, they might come down there. So what I should have look at them when they now created this one, they have liquidity here. When they now created another engineering liquidity here, that should have given me a sign that these guys, I don't think they want to come to that extreme. And look at what they use. So I would have, I like, don't let me say I was pained. I want, but this SL is kind of wide. It's wide. So that was, hello, do we have any other question?
No, sir, I don't personally.
Look at this JP225. They sweep this, right? 10, look at 10-15. What do you see? Sweep, break. Not just that, liquidity, then entry below it. This was one of the trades that I was not even paying attention to this year. It's not as if I missed it. I was not even checking it. I was checking it in the midnight with my fellow trader. But I don't even know why I did not even bother to check it again. Maybe because I had a limit set already. And I was thinking that one will come. And that one even gave me miss entry. And look at, this was my target. My target was here. So don't think I'm targeting the whole buy. My target was here. This is like 1:5. So that's it, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
Okay, do we have anyone with question? Or we should call it a day? If you are just joining us, if you have questions, you can ask. If you are just joining us and you have any question, you can ask. I think someone is on mute. Are you trying to say something? Please, if you have any question, I think someone is saying something. And guys, expect a lot of buys from JPYPS. A long buy. I did not even check. Yeah, I already know that they will have a long buy. I know. Expect it. If you go and check every JPY2, you'll see the same thing there. You see? GBP, same thing. Euro JPY, same thing. Please, I'm not teaching correlation. No. I don't use correlation in trading. No. I studied it around 2 days ago, so I know might be like, what of this can start a new sell movement. But structurally speaking, they've taken out Go to 3 months. They came down to take out 3 months low. They are coming from an imbalance. They've taken out internal range liquidities, not just one. Look at internal range liquidity of what? Of imbalance. So permit me to say this high is a very nice point for draw on liquidity. But you can see weekly has not aligned. No. There's no breakout on weekly. So
I have a question, sir.
okay, I'm with you.
Yeah, I want to ask that personally, if someone wants to start a case study, like how do someone do that? The steps.
Now I'm coming home.
But before that,
I'm
what do we count as a breakout here? Is it to the downside or pick up the other downside?
okay, based on what I'm looking at, the most recent breakout is still to the downside.
Okay.
Still to the downside. But if you look at structure, the sell that they did, maybe it's to take out internal range. They're now coming up to take out external range now. So it's possible that look at it's possible for us to see buys kicking, right? But if I would have loved this so much, I would have preferred that sell should kick in here from this point that they are. We should have like some sales. Then they should now maybe come down here. Then we should now have like something like this. Then a proper buy to the upside. I'm just talking to you what I would prefer. And that's why JPYPF for now, I'm out of it. I'm most currency PSF. I'm out of it. I'm not checking them. I have something on BTC. I'm still going to answer the person that asked question based on case study. Sorry. I want to check something. Oh, it's gone. And these people come up again. This one don't go. Okay. Now look at, let me show you. Look at this. This is one of my, I was saying something that I'm developing case study. I'm in 47, blah, 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 blah. I develop case study. You see, case study 20, peer, Euro card, date 7/06/2026 to 11/06/2026. You see, this thought process and discovery, I put it as a blank because I already know my thought process. And the thought process is the same thing for all, most of the analysis, right? So in the PDF, which is my own personal material that I'm going to print out, this thought process and discovery, I put it as blank. So when I'm studying them, if I see something, I will be able to write it in that blank space. Now this is it. Look at what's happening on daily. Daily rejection. Can you see? I put it there. I put the screenshot there. H4 breakout plus inducement. I write it there. M30, sweep and break. I put it there. The buy, I put it there. Do you get? So, and that is how I develop. And you see this case study. So sometimes if I'm telling some of you that do this, I'm not saying it because I just want to say it. I'm saying it because these are the things I've done. This is not my first case study. Look, you see, these are file. These are file. See, these are case study. You see, these are some things. Look, traditional journalism. I'm doing. I think I'm doing 100. I'm doing 50 case study on bias to entry. I'm doing 50 case study on H4 to M15. The one this 47 is from weekly to maybe our market move from weekly to Holy Spirit help me, thank you. From weekly to like M30. But now I will start to do H4 to M15. And this one is not H4, H1, M30, M15. H4 and M15. If I see breakout on H4, what happened on M15? Do you get? So next question.
Time is running out. You have less than 5 minutes.
Okay. Do we have anyone that have questions? Okay, now, so it's nice to have every one of you. Say less, please. Let's communicate on how the recording will be. Do you get? Don't just send it to me, but let's communicate first.
Okay.
So thank you for having me. See you guys